Welcome to Marrakesh, 47. The situation grows more tense by the minute. The consulate is under lockdown, but the protests are only a stone throw away from full-blown riots, and Zaydan won't hesitate to unleash his troops. So whatever you're planning, time is of the essence. Good luck, 47.
Hello there.
Salam!
Oh. How's your father?
Doing well. Thanks for asking. He's upstairs right now.
Easy,
working on
boy.
some novel of his, some political thriller, I think. You know, airport flick.
Oh, that's nice. So he doesn't miss the old town.
Well, he was headmaster for 30 years. He carries around the master key. You know, the one that fits all the locks? Doesn't seem to be able to part with the damn thing. But that's nostalgia for you.
Well, maybe now he'll be a famous writer instead.
Right.
Okay. Let's see this one. Yes, good. Now, let's see. Oh, say what?
I'll have to ask you to kindly exit the premises. You will not walk through here today.
Thank you.
Strandberg is a lunatic.
No, he is capital.
Hello, come in!
Stand back. Back.
Hello, trooper.
At ease, recruit. Thank you for responding so quick. Never expected something like this. Not dead.
You made it. Most impressive, 47. Now to locate Claus Strandberg.
And it's back on.
An evac without consulting the Swedish Foreign Ministry. Olander's head's gonna roll for this.
I doubt he cares. Whoever he, Zaydan, and Strandberg are taking orders from, I doubt they're strapped for cash. It's gotta be the CIA.
This type of scheme is right on their alley.
Massage expert Connie Engstrom. Report at the reception desk.
Hear me?
Connie
Might have
Engstrom.
some
Please go to the
disturbance.
reception desk.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I saw a whole bunch of them down in the car park. Nothing like normal security. Those guys are sweethearts. Talking real rough, especially.
Oh. An apology would be nice.
I don't need a security guard to feel safe. You know, I can deal with my own
And
problems.
5 sort of smaller screws. 5. Can that be right? That's what it says. Okay, what else?
Heard that. Stop being a dick and get yourself out here.
What?
Oh, come on.
Thank you. I'll check it out.
What?
I need help! Right now! There's this horrible man knocking people out. I don't know why. Some loony is knocking people down.
Oh, your sight for sore eyes. Something terrible has happened.
Hey, I found someone on the ground. Don't know what's happened. I'll get back. Hey, all right, you're coming too.
Please go to the reception desk.
No. Hello? Just found a body. Going in for a closer look.
Okay, what's this? Possible intruder. Sweeping area, over.
Who's there?
Target down. Next up, Reza Zaydan.
Attention all personnel. This is a level 4 security announcement. A terrible accident just occurred. Please be calm. Let the investigation. Procedure. Information to understand.
Things are heating up. Be advised. Man, I have arrived at the location and it looks clear. Over.
Command, I've arrived at the location and it looks clear. Over.
We got a situation. Get ready to rock and roll.
Command, area's clear. Please advise. Over.
Oh. You, go.
Wait.
Yeah, must have been a false alarm. That's a good one. Sir, come out of there.
Salute, soldier.
General Zaydan keeps coming down here to check on the prisoner. I hear they were close.
You're in. Good work, 47. Now to locate General Zaydan.
Hello?
Hey. Sir, you need to pick that up now or we'll...
What?
Both targets down. Now head towards an exit.
Some kind of soldier?
Compromised, but I don't understand. There is no sign of forced entry, no alarms, nothing.
One of my people has gone missing in Johannesburg. A key bearer.
I wish I'd been informed. Still, the system demands 2 keys, and the rest are all accounted for.
Except for your late predecessors.
Comp? But his plane went down over the Pacific. It was an accident.
Such was the conclusion at the time. Yes. People die, Mr. Fannin. Happens all the time, even to us. It seems like a conspiracy. Probably isn't. And yet, the failed coup in Morocco, the ether virus. Someone knows about us. There was a pattern and I failed to see it. Providence is under attack.
How much was there?
Money. The money, Mr. Fannin. Information on all of our assets and operatives. Like you. Dig a trench, Director. And make it a deep one. Because none of you are safe anymore.